you clicked on this video because you need an international TikTok account so that you can make some money on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to teach you for free how to create an international TikTok account. Don't pay money to anyone. You can do it yourself, okay? In fact, there was a time I wanted to, pay money to people to get me an international TikTok account. Not knowing it was so simple. It is so simple to do it, okay? You can actually create an international TikTok account yourself. So in this video, I'm going to teach you for free. I only need a subscription from you, okay? The subscription tells me that I'm doing a good job, okay? And then also, anytime I post a new content, you get access to it. All right. Thank you. Now, why do you need an international TikTok account? Not all countries are eligible to monetize their TikTok. Most of the African countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, etc. can't monetize their TikTok account. And countries like UK, USA, and Germany, they are eligible to, monetize their accounts. So that is why you need an international TikTok account. All right. Now, let's start. You need these three things. Number one, you need a browser, okay? Number two, you need your mobile phone, which is very obvious, okay? And number three, you need a VPN, okay? So why do we need a VPN? We need a VPN to change our location from Ghana or Nigeria to UK or US, okay? Good. So this is how we do it. And it works 100%. In fact, you can see my account on the screen here. I have 170 followers. Some of my videos have gotten 7,000 views, 1,000 views, 5,000 views, etc. Okay, so it works 100%. All right. So once you have these things, we are good to go. Now with a VPN, I recommend to Tender VPN and Windscribe, okay? But for my account, I used Tender VPN, okay? Tender VPN, okay? With Windscribe too, you can also use Windscribe. It has more features compared to the Tender VPN. But for the sake of this video, I used Tender VPN, okay? Now, this is how we go about it. You go to Tender VPN, you click on the button, and you see a key at the top there. The key means that it has connected successfully, okay? The location has been changed to UK, right? Okay, good. Now, you go into your browser, you type tiktok.com. We are not going to use the app for now, okay? Ignore the app for now. We go into our browser, we type tiktok.com, okay? And then we sign up. Remember to sign up with an email, not your phone number, okay? Sign up with an email, not your phone number, okay? Then you enter your right name, your right date of birth, so that in case you want to monetize in the future, there will not be any issues, okay? Now, after signing up, this is what you have to do. You have to go to your TikTok app and log in there, okay? So you go to your TikTok. If you already have an account there, you click on the name of your account at the top there, and then you click on add account. Then you log in with email of the new account you created. It's as simple as ABC, okay? So now, if you want to see the details of the new account, you click on the three lines at the top there. Okay, you click on the three lines at the top there. And then you click on YouTube, you click on Creator Studio, okay? Once you click on Creator Studio, you are going to see all the monetization features there, okay? I hope you can see on the screen here. Yes, so if you compare the monetization features here with the local accounts, the Ghanaian account or the Nigerian account, you could see that there is difference in it. All right. Now, there are certain things you should never do after creating the account. Never upload the old videos on your other accounts on the new account. No, don't do that. Okay? TikTok hates that. Okay? You can't monetize account. Never do that. Just take your time and create new videos on the new account. Okay? Don't worry if you have posted thousands of videos on the other account. Just start from here from the scratch. Okay? And trust me, you can build up easily. All right. Good. And also, don't steal people's video. Yes, don't steal people's videos if you really want to monetize. All right. So, thank you for watching. This is how to create an international TikTok account for free. I only need a subscription from you, and then feel free to also let me know in the comment section if it's really worked for you. Because with my account, it worked 100%. In fact, it works. Okay, it works. So thank you for watching. Let me know the outcome in the comment section. Thank you.